Olá pessoal, sejam bem-vindos a mais um vídeo, mas antes inscreve-te no canal porque eu sei onde moras e não te esqueças de ativar as notificações. Agora sim, bora lá!
Hostia! Are you okay? Enough fish? This good, fish? I see it!
You better get on there and start looking through your stuff. Seriously. Oh, don't, he'll take it. Get it. Get the paddle. Hey. Oh, great! Oh,
Oh my god. It's okay.
Ow! Ow!
Baby! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ow!
Bubbles weren't moving.
Oh my god! Holy I got that on camera! Holy
Oh!
Holy Yo!
Focus on that! Oh! What's the bird, guys? Focus on the bird! Oh!
Go, birdie, go, birdie, go. Survive.
Oh. Na's pretending nothing's up.
And he's a good guy. He probably won't even bite you but one time.
Did you get it?
ในบ้านพัดเป็นแบบเกียวขึ้นไปเลยเนาะ
Bro, let me go. Oh my.
In the bushes.
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
This is James from the Tulsa Swarm Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 51st and Lewis. And we got a bee swarm on a car. Check that out. Pretty awesome. We're going to get suited up and take care of it.
Can you see it? Oh, how about that?
He's camera shy.
Zane! Porca troia.
Porco Dio. Porco Dio. Oh. That's not funny though.
Oh, he didn't bring them all in. They came in through the chimney. There's birds everywhere. What the hell? Look at this. There's birds everywhere.
Why are
There's like 30 birds. Oh, God. He hit me in the face.
careful?
Oh, regarde ça, regarde, mais regarde, il y a tout qui tombe. Mon Dieu, j'ai jamais vu ça de ma vie, quoi.
We tried to find the drains.
Here it is.
Oh my god, he's staring into my soul. Let me just run. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Ah, don't!
I'm good, I'm clean.
How close it came to just really being awful on the house. Here's the car. No structural damage there. Don't think the truck's going to be as fortunate. Yeah. Crushed. But it would have been, oh my word.
Look over there, look over there, look over there. Oh, shit. Oh, when he hits the other side, he don't. Holy shit.
अरे ना
यार तारी अरे यार मुका पे स्टोर में है कि शेप है अपना तो नहीं तो मैं करो
अरे ना तू करो दी यू
Chị ơi,
बोले नहीं हाँ हाँ आप बोर्ड में तू दी यू मारना नहीं करती कि फोन कर दे गोला
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Pelo amor de Deus do céu! Passa, 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 passa.
Oh, que isso, cara? Olha lá, barota. Caralho, velho.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
There you go. There you go, going up that tree. Can you make it?
What?
If he comes after me.
What the hell is happening?
Y se ve chiquito el refugio, pero dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
¡Wow!
Miren, 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 cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
Ah, lo agarré, cabal. Qué espectacular. Ah.
Perdón.
Mucha.
Está bravo.
Mira, mira cómo tiene las rocas.
I was filming on the edge, and an extremely large pulse of gas just came out and just caused a huge lava splatter that basically covered this entire area.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Stay here. Major earthquake. Holy. Oh my God! Look at that. We're okay.
Putain, le toit de la maison. Oh my God!
Oh, yes. Oh my God.
Check this out. Storm's coming in. That's all rain out there and lightning, and this parasailer's stuck. It's so windy they can't reel him in. Oh shit. Holy oh my God. Oh my God.
Channel 7 News are coming up.
Yeah.
Sheldon in Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon in there with his suit on and with like.
Here goes.
The water
Wow.
spout. The water spout from the fire. That is nuts.
What was that?
These people better get moving.
Look at the falling out of the sky.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Boom.
Oh
okay.
my god.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Whoa! Whoa! God, you can have it, buddy. Take it. Alcoholic.
You're sitting up there like a king, you know? Okay,
Oh my god, that's so too mad.
I mean, he's going through the whole entire thing. He's going through. Oh! Oh!
Hey, Capillo! That guy fell in. Here, Tom, stand like this.
Oh, the snake! Oh my god, the snake!
Oh my god! Oh, the snake's got it!
Oh my god!
Are you getting this?
Sorry, I'm being super dramatic.
Gotta get that picture. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! It's so long.
It's officially flooded. Holy moly!
Hoe heeft mij in die boom opgejaagd?
Ja.
Oh my god!
I don't know what to do, I think. Come on, go the other way.
Yeah.
Is he gone?
Whoa!
Look at me. You see that? I don't know if that is adrenaline or if that is fear.
Please don't come this way. I don't like this. I don't like this. What is going on? Hey. I don't like this. Go away. Nuh-uh. Bro. The bar is that way. Please move.
Oh my god! Oh! Take up your car! Oh my god! Is that your car?
No, what is that?
I am holy.
Player, can you please stop chewing my wall? I know you want to. Okay, I know you want to, but buddy, you put a hole in it.
No! Ouch! Stop! Bad boy. Stop! Stop! Ouch! Stop! Stop! Hey! Don't! Ouch! Stop!
I need you to growl for me, okay? Please? It's for the snap, so you have to do it. Yeah, like that, but louder. Louder.
raw my ass. Oh, I was just playing, bro.
On. He's on. Oh, he's gonna go off. Oh, he's going hard. Oh,
Ôi ôi, xe đi ôi.
Chết
Thôi rồi, thôi rồi. Ôi ôi.
Nó đừng có lăn là được. Lật rồi. Rồi, cái đít xuống được rồi. Nó không lật rồi.
Cho đít xuống trước cái tốt. Ôi, còn xa quá. Thả mang ra rồi xuống này.
Đấy.
Ôi ôi.
Đấy, mắc cây.
Holy
あー来た
No, this is not acceptable.
Ow, he's singing me.
No.
Get in the house.
Están detrás del jamón. ¡Dale ahí! ¡Dale! ¡Dale! ¡Quítate que no me la vuela la tú que sos!
Oh my god. Should I go up there and pop it back up? I don't want to. Oh my god!
No es culebra,
No, pero si fuera culebra sacara la lengua. Porque una culebra siempre saca la lengüita.
Recording? Yeah. Your finger might be in the way. No, it's not. I not even made it! Woo! So I'm just going to go over here.
Hello. Oh my gosh, we are surrounded by a million little cockatoos. Hi. I know I'm not supposed to feed you, but
Hey. Goodness. Oh boy.
Alright, Mikey. Been real.
Ei, esse aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare seu filho da pele é manso.
Mate. Go. Go. Look. Oh. Go to your friend. I'm trying to help you, buddy. Go. Look. Okay. I got my bike. I'm going. Good luck.
E é tudo, obrigado por teres assistido até aqui. Inscreve-te no canal porque eu sei onde moras e não te esqueças de ativar as notificações. E agora vai ver outros vídeos ou aguarda pelo próximo.